On May 12th, China held its second China plus Central Asia, that is C plus C5 meeting with Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Turkmenistan. In this meeting, a main concern that was expressed was in regards to the withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan, especially its implications on the regional stability of the region and the Belt and Road Initiative of China. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Outrek. I'm Shohan and we are going to talk about the concerns that China portrays with regards to US withdrawal from Afghanistan to its Belt and Road Initiative, also known as the BRI. The first meeting with the foreign ministers of all the 5 Central Asian countries in the 5+1 format, that is 5 Central Asian countries plus China, took place in 2020 at the initiation of China in a bid to expand China's role and influence in the region. The initiative started first with being focused on joint cooperation to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, but also about the economic growth of the region. As the Chinese Foreign Ministry reported in the recent meeting that marked the 30th anniversary of the independence of the 5 Central Asian states, all parties committed to strategic partnership and firmly defend multilateralism, jointly maintain peace, stability and security in the region. Also, a point to be noted here is that it just so happens so that all the members of this meeting are also part of the China Central Asia West Asia Economic Corridor, which is a part of the larger BRI, that is Belt and Road Initiative of China. And with that, they have also released a joint statement on the Afghanistan issue, which is also part of the Belt and Road Initiative of China. Now, we have been talking about this BRI, that is Belt and Road Initiative, a lot, and it would be fair for you if to ask what am I even talking about. So BRI, sometimes also known as the New Silk Road, as the Council on Foreign Affairs says, is one of the most ambitious infrastructure project ever to be conceived. It was launched in 2013 by the President of China, Xi Jinping. It is a vast collection of development and investment initiative that stretches from East Asia to that of Europe in an attempt to significantly expand China's economic and political influence. Now, Afghanistan has been a major site for Chinese investment under the same, and hence any changes in Afghanistan are significant not only for future BRI projects but also for the ones that have already taken place there. Now, coming to the Afghanistan situation, which we are trying to understand since the beginning. Now, the US presence in Afghanistan, which we are talking about here, and is supposed to leave finally after 20 years of presence, can be traced back to 2001. This takes place just after 9/11 attacks on US, after which the global war on terror campaign of US started. And using the same, the United States invaded Afghanistan. At this point, US was targeting Taliban government as a part of its front against terror group, as Taliban government was harboring various terror organizations. Now, we'll leave most of the details about the Afghanistan invasion and US involvement in it for some time later. But briefly, it can be said that the US troops that had been present in Afghanistan were helping the then formed national government after the invasion in fight against Taliban. So, coming to the US withdrawal. In 2020, agreement for building peace in Afghanistan was signed by US and Taliban, which led out a plan of action to stabilize the region and for the removal of US troops from Afghanistan. The provisions of the deal include withdrawal of American and NATO troops from Afghanistan, a Taliban pledge to prevent Al-Qaeda from operating in areas under Taliban control, and talks between Taliban and Afghanistan government. An interesting fact about this agreement is that it didn't actually involve the Afghanistan government, as it was an agreement only between US and Taliban. Now, pursuant to this agreement, the Biden administration announced that it would continue with the withdrawal that had been started under the presidency of President Trump, with an expected completion date by 11 September 2021. Now that we have been talking about what BRI is, what is the deal with the US removing its troops after 20 years from Afghanistan, the question is, why does China care so much? Why? How even is it going to affect it anyway? So, as we have already mentioned, Afghanistan is a part of the Belt and Road Initiative, that is BRI of China, and then several projects under the same have already been taking place in Afghanistan. China blames the United States for abrupt announcement of complete withdrawal of forces, saying that this step only worsens the security situation and threatens peace and stability as well as people's life and safety in a war-torn country. As agreed in C plus C5 meeting, the peace and reconciliation process in Afghanistan should be Afghan-led and Afghan-owned. The internal stability of Afghanistan government is very important to that of China because of the economic significance it has. And hence, it really wants the national government to persist with whom it had already negotiated the projects related to BRI. So here we see why is it so important to China. So I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you.